it this key? Nope. I wonder what this key is for then.
I don't even know.
Because like everything's open
Might
to
have
this
been
too.
for like an old rock that company used to have.
Okay, here we go. Starting.
Cessna 194 Sierra Papa Palo Alto ground. Give way to an inbound Cessna just pulling in the parking runway 31, suggest Juliet Papa Yankee vibes. Run up complete. Say departure request.
We're going to stay in the pattern if possible. And was that Juliet Papa Yankee 2 run up?
Cessna 4 Sierra Papa A-firm. Give way to Cessna just pulling into into parking. Suggest Juliet Papa Yankee for runway 31.
Roger, we'll text you to run up via Juliet Papa Yankee, and we got that. Cessna is out of the way now for 4 Sierra Papa. Thanks.
Turn 35 November squawk 4514 for the 4514.
Yes, sir.
4514, 35 November.
Alright, you want to test it?
Yes, I do. My controls.
Your control.
Right, so just confirm
My
runway
brakes work,
31 and
your
it's
controls,
squawk code
my
of
controls, your
4514.
4514 Papa Yankee to 3135 November.
I'll watch out for that guy over there.
And just try to follow this really ghetto.
Oh, we have a dotted taxi line here. I wonder what that is.
Oh yeah. So you have to really watch out for this Cirrus over here to the right, and then also this Cessna. So, nice. So you're good on the right now.
Turn 35 November. You can expect a right crosswind departure.
Alright, let's see here. Did I start this thing? I don't think I did I? Alright, this is a taxiway we followed, right? Seems pretty sketch.
Yep. So supposedly, I think they put the wrong asphalt down for the construction over here, so they have to tear it back up and then repave it. Pretty sad.
Hey, yes, sir. And then Juliet's right here.
Huh?
I totally know where I'm going.
Oh yeah.
Alright, and then Papa starts where everything here. That was a lot shorter than I expected.
But that was 0.1 on Hobbs. Dun dun dun.
I did sit there for a while though.
Yeah.
And 35 November run up complete.
Turn 35 November, hold short Yankee 1, contact tower.
Hold short Yankee 1 over the tower.
That is close. Okay. But it's 15 minutes closer.
Yes,
than San
sir.
Carlos.
Well, okay, car gas doesn't really count, but okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, which spot do we take? Do we just...
So there's 3 spots, so first one, second one, or more like first one, second, third. I would just go for the first spot.
This one or that one?
The
There.
one.
Okay. Alright, here we are. We're in place, brakes are held. Hold the ground, November 19 4 Sierra Papa, run up complete.
That's 4 Sierra Papa, hold short Yankee 1, contact tower.
Hold short Yankee 1, contact tower for 4 Sierra Papa, thanks.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, do you want to get that set up?
Yeah, that's right, hold on. I'll just hold short here really quick. Aha! Sorry, you're just kind of like right there. Alright, and then we'll switch and we'll tell Paul to tower that we're holding short Yankee 1 ready to go.
Sounds good.
Alto Tower, November 194 Sierra Papa, Cessna 172, holding short Yankee 1, ready to go.
Cessna 194 Sierra Papa, Palo Tower, hold short runway 31, number 2.
Hold short runway 31, number 2, 4 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 4 Sierra Papa, follow you up when skylining in right track, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
31 clear for takeoff, all the Skylane on takeoff for 4 Sierra Papa, thanks.
Alright, make sure it's full there, landing lights and taxis off, and altitude mode on 1200. Nose wheels coming light, sorry about that.
Oh, you're good.
I say sorry too much.
Huh.
That's what everyone tells me, but oh well.
You are who you are.
Oh, wait, and line, full power, here we go.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that. Couldn't see that. Leather jacket, though it's too cold. Saw your face in the crowd, and I think we'll all die. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here. It took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway. I had a friend, you're a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. I do a place or a spring break, a heartache. I do